To install the metal clips in a baseball cap is very easy. You'll need two of these, one for each side of the cap. To get started, you fold the cap like this, and you see where it naturally tends to fold. And right here at this fold, you mark that with your finger or maybe a pencil or something. And then you turn the sweatband inside out. You take the metal staple with the prongs on it and you put it through the sweatband, just like that. Then you fold the sweatband back over. Maybe make sure that it's in the right place so you can feel it right there. Then you'll make, once you know it's in the right place, then you fold or push the pins down to hold it in place, and you're ready to go. Now you do the very same thing for the other side of the cap, putting again the metal staple in that fold area. Then the cap is ready to go.